right now with T-Rob. We're in hot pursuit of a Quietside boiler. We all know Quietside combi boilers are out of business and you're out of luck. So we're gonna go give it one more go. The funny part is on this job, plenty of domestic hot water. So the boiler kicks on, fan works, hot water, bam, bam, bam. Nothing on the heat side. I got T-Rob, superstar, super tech. Look out, T-Rob's on scene.
First of all, how about did we attempt to set the setting, let's say for 180, 140?
I did play with the setting. I didn't have a book, so having your book is going to be key.
Right.
On the Quietside. Again, out of business, can't get parts. He knows it, we know it.
Who owns this? Your buddy Burns?
Johnny. We'll tell him we're on our way.
The circulator pump runs when you...
Well, the heater's got to be working for the domestic to work.
Domestic hot water, correct?
Yes.
It ain't coming out all choppy, different temperatures, so that pump must be working, right?
Yup, yup.
First, you got the three-way valve that says fuck domestic hot water. But you know what? You're saying it don't even run at all.
There's not crickets. Crickets when I jumped up the thermostat. We'll see when we get there. All right, here's the baby. Call for domestic hot water works. Call for heat is a no-go. Total no-go. Second floor unit.
All right, let me just take a second, bro. You don't need this right now, do you?
Nah.
So, this guy's got to go too.
Yeah.
Goodbye. You're saying the circulator works?
Absolutely. Now, that has to work for domestic hot water to work, I believe.
I'm pretty... Yeah, because...
That's that loop.
Mr. Loopy has to be in.
Now, is this pipe like a... This doesn't have a main loop like a Navion. This is a separate loop.
Where's the hot water at? Domestic. Right here.
Blue and red, yeah.
Alright. So that's domestic. This is our piping for baseboard, correct?
Yes, yep. Got nothing. Not even a try.
Let's see what's going on. Just for the fun of it. Let's pretend we're technicians.
Let's jump it out. Now,
well, see, we got 24 volts here.
Oh, yeah.
What do you got here?
Yeah, we got it.
All right.
24 volts. Zeroed out. Nope. Zero. Nope.
Unless it's made. This JJ. Nothing happened because it's got no power.
No power, baby.
Okay. So, but if you jump this out, will it come on? Let's say we want hot water.
Right.
Hold on. Let's just see. I'm gonna see what happens here when we.
Now I only have one jumper.
That's all right. We can take that one off.
All right.
Or we're just timed together. Fucking. I don't know, man. See if they stay.
I need some more alligator clips, Daddy.
Brittle. Or just. Now, technically, this heater should come on. It's not.
Why is this not showing nothing up here?
It's not showing shit.
Did I turn it off by accident? Huh.
This guy over here, the 2 yellows are
Hold on. Did we turn this shit off? Did you hit this switch here by chance?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, you did?
No wonder. Now we gotta go back to the drawing board. All right, let's do one thing at a time.
Hold on, let's turn this
But
back
then
on.
we gotta reset this.
No, this ain't back off.
Well, we gotta reprogram it or something.
That's gonna be domestic.
Domestic hot water.
Yep.
And that guy's going. A lot of good things are happening. Okay.
Yellow's domestic.
Yellow's domestic.
Or is it?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Is this where it's going down?
No. You just got it. Yellow's heat.
Oh, we got the jumper on. So
Oh.
Just shut off.
Boom.
Hold on. Well, we're getting somewhere. We got to recalibrate here, bro. All right.
We messed up by having the heater off. Yo, baby.
I don't know if that was.
Listen, this joker was so ice cold yesterday. We didn't get no. This pump was not going on yesterday. I don't think the heat.
Now we have to figure.
All right, we got something going on. Let's step back.
All right. We'll leave them on there like that, because I don't know.
I'm wondering if he does have. Like I asked him, did he move any wires? Did they do any work here?
I mean, temporarily, we punch a hole through the wall, but it's temp stat.
Yeah.
You have to. You could have a bad stat. Anything could be wrong.
Right.
So it's not reading open, so I would say
7 point. See this?
Why didn't it come back on?
Because you don't have it jumped out.
I got it jumped out. I got them together.
Nah, you don't have this jumped out.
Oh. But even this should make it run, but I...
Oh, that's why that's not working. It's not getting no power up there.
Right. So this guy goes to the yellow boys, okay?
Yeah.
It's on the yellow handle.
Right.
Okay?
That gives juice to the panel.
But it might be saying, I'm happy. So, like you say, let's jump this out again. Because these go to the two brown boys.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying he's calling for heat up there? Where's he at up there?
I'll go up here and knock.
So you're... Technically, this should run. Domestic
Now it's
radiation. Well, let's see what happens. Let's just have pre.
So this had, you had jump tied together. That's when we got circle on the now question, is this having,
maybe it's got to be on over there.
right?
Let's just go. All right, we'll back up.
Because I'm thinking maybe it's being tricked to have domestic and running the pump.
I just want to take care of the basics first.
Oh, look. She's climbing.
So that's our radiation discharge temperature.
It's going about warm too already. Because you can actually hook up Navions, a small loop on a Navion, without putting in the super loop. Kind of like how these are piped. They don't recommend it, but you can do it. come.
This guy's got a buffer tank also, as Le'Veon would put it. That's another thing I asked the tech guy.
So is it time for a new heater?
No.
No new heater.
No new heater.
Come on, man. Look at this thing.
Beautiful. Quietside. It's so quiet.
It's so quiet it doesn't work.
And it seems like it's outside. It's quiet and it's outside. Like.
All right, folks. End up having a broken thermostat wire from second floor stat to here. Jumped it out. Our tests. We end up relocating the thermostat temporarily because it's freezing out and the supply houses are closed, and we're on to our next bailout. They need a new thermostat ran from here to the second floor. It's a nightmare run. So this is the quick fix, and the book from Quietside and Trobb's technology skill set got us to this point. Now we're explaining to the tenant that the thermostat's here now and not upstairs. And we're running heat and domestic hot water. Good to go today. Check that new stat wire coming next week. What we got, T-Rob? We good?
We're good, right?
You know what we got, right? We get the heat on, right?
Oh, coffee?
No, we got the heat on, right?
I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, heat's on, right? You don't know the routine yet, do you? You ever watch one of my videos, T-Rob?
Oh!
What we got? Oh, what we got?
Open wire.
Open wire. Now we got another satisfied customer. Look out. On to our next one. Next bailout. All right. Hey. There you have it, folks. We got it done. T-Rob is the best. He's in getting coffee right now. And you know what we got here out here on a Saturday afternoon before football. Matter of fact, is the game's on yet? What do we got, folks? You know what we got. And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one, folks. Have a great day.